Assalamu alaikum, student of class 10th from science group. In today's lecture, we will solve the questions of exercise 1.1. The question number 1 is solve the equations by factorization. So what is factorization? Factorization is basically when we write an algebraic expression as a product of two or more algebraic expressions. Like we will write this expression as a product of two or more algebraic expression. We will make the factors of, basically what we will do, we will make the factors of this expression. And what are the factors? The factors, like for example, the factors of 12 are what? In real number, the 12 factors 6 multiply 2. Here we write this 12 as the product of 6 and 2. So these are the factors of 12. Now we will factorize this algebraic expression. So in algebraic expression, kept in mind that first of all, we will check that whether there is an common term or not. If there is a common term, we will take the common term, we will extract this common term from this expression. But here in this question, there is no common term. So we will factorize this expression. We will factorize this expression with the help of midterm breaking. In midterm breaking, what we will do? This is the constant term in this expression 4. We will multiply this 4 with the coefficient of this x square. Here, what is the coefficient of this x square? This is 1. So we will multiply the coefficient of x square with 4. We will get 4. 4 ones are 4. 4. So now you will make the factor of this 4. Let's make the factor. We will start from 1. 4 ones are 4. 2 twos are 4. And we will check that in these factors, which one factor is that type of factor which is added or subtracted, then it will give the answer 5. There is 5. So now we will check. If we will add 4 and 1, we will add 4 and 1, we will get 5. So the sum of these factors is giving us 5 and the product of these factors giving us 4. So we will take this one factor. Now we will write x square plus 4x. 4x plus 1x plus 4 equals to 0. You can see that this 5, instead of this 5, we will write 4x plus 1x. 4x plus 1x is what? It's 5x. So we can write 4x plus 1 instead of 5. And 4 multiply 1 is giving us 4. So now in the next step, we will do pairing. Pairing of this and this. In these two terms, we will take common. You can see that x is common in x square plus 4x. So here x is common, and what is the remaining? X. 1x is common, and here 1x is left, plus 4. Plus in these two terms, what is common? Nothing is common, so we can write just 1, and x plus 4 will be as it is, equals to 0. You can see that x plus 4 and x plus 4 are the same. So if this is the same, it means that you are doing the correct factorization of this expression. So in these two terms, there is x plus 4 is common. So what is remaining in here? X plus 1. Okay, so x plus 4 and x plus 1 are the factors of this expression. You can see that there is a single expression, and we factorize this expression and we will get the product of two expression. Now these both are equals to 0. Okay, the both equations are x plus 1 and x plus 4 is equals to 0. So whether x plus 4 will be equals to 0 or x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so from here we will subtract 4 on both sides. We have to find out the value of x. So 4 is added with x, so we will subtract 4 on both sides. It will cancel each other, and from here we will get x minus 4 or x plus 1. So we will subtract minus 1 on both sides. So from here plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled and minus 1. So x will be minus 4 or x will be minus 1. So we will check these values by putting the value of x in this giving expression to check whether the answer is equals to 0 or not. So we will check. Let us check. This is the question giving equation. We will put, first of all, we will put x is equals to minus 4. So minus 4 whole square plus 5, 4 plus 4 equals to 0. 4 4s are 16. And the minus sign will be converted into plus. Why? Because the power is even. When the power is even, the negative sign is converted into positive. How? You can see that minus multiply minus, it will give us plus. So minus multiply minus 1 squared, it's mean that minus 1 multiply minus 1, so it will minus minus will be multiplied, so we will get positive 1. So here also we will write plus 16. Okay, minus 4, we are putting the value of minus 4. So minus 4 plus minus minus 5 4s are 20 plus minus minus 4 equals to 0. 16 minus 4, 20 minus 16, it will be 4, but with negative sign because 20 is the greater value. Minus 4 and plus 4. It's the constant term, not the value of x. Okay, so plus 4 equals to 0. So both sides are equal. It's mean that this value is correct. Now we will check the next value. Put x is equals to minus 1 in the given equation. Okay, the equation is what? X square plus 5x plus 4. So minus 1. Minus 1 square plus 5 minus 1 plus 4 equals to 0 equals to 0. 1 plus minus minus 5 ones are 5. Okay, plus 4 equals to 0. Plus minus 5 or plus 1, the answer will be minus 4. Plus 4 equals to 0. You can see that this value is also correct. So by checking, we see that these both values are correct. So the solution set of this equation is minus 4 and minus 1. So we solve this equation by factorization, and the answer is minus 4 minus 1. Now question number 2. Now we will do question number 2. What is the question number 2? Question number 2, x minus 3 whole square is equals to 4. You are familiar with the formula a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here you can see there is x minus 3 whole square. So a minus b, here we will use the formula of a minus b. A square minus 2ab plus b square. There is x is a and minus 3 is b. So we will apply this formula. What we will get? X square minus 2x3 plus 3 whole square is equals to 4. X square minus 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9 equals to 4. Okay. X square minus 6x plus 9 minus 4. 4 minus 4. We will subtract 4 on both sides. We will subtract 4 on both sides. So from here it will be cancelled, and from here it will be subtracted from 9. So we will get 5 equals to 0. Now this is the required expression. This is the required algebraic expression. It's same as in the question number 1. So we will solve it by midterm breaking. What we will do? 5 multiply 1. It's equal to 5. We will make the factors of 5. 5 ones are 5. We can see if we add 5 plus 1, it will equal to 6. Okay. So we will take this factors of 5. Now x squared minus 5x plus 1x plus 5 equals to 0. Instead of 6x, we wrote here minus 5 plus 1x. Minus 5 plus 1. Not 1, minus, plus. This sign is equals to this sign, and plus minus minus. Because our target is minus 6x, so we will write here minus sign. Minus minus will be added, and the minus 5 minus 1 is equals to minus 6. So now the next step is pairing. From here x minus 5. There is no common term, so we will take minus 1. X minus plus minus minus. Okay, the sign of 5 will be changed. This minus 5 and this minus 5s are equal. So it means that you are doing correct. X minus 5 we will write one time as a common, and here x minus 1 equals to 0. So x minus 5 equals to 0, or x minus 1 equals to 0. X minus 5 plus 5, 0 plus 5. We add 5 on both sides. So from here x is equals to 5. X minus 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1. We add 1 on both sides of the equation. From here x is equals to 1. Okay, x is equals to 5 or x is equals to 1. Now checking of question number 2. By putting the value of x in question, the given equation is equals to 4. Here we will put x is equals to 5. Okay, 5 minus 3 whole square is equals to 4. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 whole square is equals to 4. 2 2s are 4. So it's mean that this is correct. Now we will put in the given equation 1 instead of x. x1 minus 3 whole square. So 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 2 whole square is equals to 4. So here the answer will be 2 2s are 4, not with negative sign, because the negative sign will be multiplied 2 times, so it will give positive 4. So it's mean that this is also correct. So the solution set of the given equation is 5 and 1. It's question number 2 done. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is